What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we're here to talk about Loopring in this video because a lot of cryptocurrency have made some moves that some people wanted it to make and some people didn't want it to make. But we're here to talk about Loopring and exactly, what's going on with the position, what I'm seeing, out in the community, out there in the news, when it comes to crypto and all that stuff, and also get into my positions as well. So you guys are 100%, I'm 100% transparent and you guys 100% understand where I'm coming from with the position and why I do talk about it. But before we get started, guys, hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure that if you guys want to follow me on any other platform, definitely check out all the social medias down below, as well as following my Twitch. That does help me out if you are looking for someone that consistently streams every single day or every weekday around 8 to 9. I think on Thursday it's going to be different, but usually 8 to 9. I also wanted to talk about the last video that I posted. The last video that I posted, which was yesterday, talked about the fact that people shouldn't really care about dates too much. And a lot of people miss the point to that. It's supposed to be a clickbait title so that people can basically say, all right, well, if you think that it is clickbait, then you are part of the problem. Because if you're looking for a confirmed date, that means you're looking to sell the news. You're looking for that date so you can see it fall back down, because typically you're looking for a buy the rumor, sell the news. And when people are looking that heavy into a date, they're looking to sell off the position, and that shows your hand. So I understand where you're coming from, and you could say that it's a clickbait title, but if you believe that, then you obviously are part of the problem. However, let's go ahead and dive into the detail we have today. So first, we're going to get started with my positions. I think this is a good point to get started with. My positions right now, I have $1,775 in Loopring. I have a total of 695 coins. I did just buy 194, or technically 195. I don't know why the math is off, but 195 more coins today. When we did see that dip, and I'll show you exactly what dip I'm talking about, but you can see all of my positions here and how it did progress. Obviously, I'm hiding some of it, but I'm not physically trying to hide it. I'm just, my picture's in front of it, so I can technically move it here. I can go over here and move it and show you guys. But yeah, that's where my positions are. So those are all the buys that I made at certain prices and how much I held. But yeah, that's what I have. It's 8% of my total portfolio, which my portfolio is down. I do plan on doing a separate video on the crypto market. So if you guys are looking forward to that, make sure you stay tuned and check out that video. I might be uploading 3 videos on this channel today. But yeah, now let's get into the price that it is today, the pullback that we did see. You can see here in the last hour, it's down about 3%. In the last day, it's down about 12%. It even hit a low, and we'll get into that in a little bit. In the past week, it's down 9%. The past month, it's obviously up 500%. The past year, it's up 1,200%. And the past, 4 years, 3 years, 4 years, we're seeing this 2,000% or so. Right now, let's get back into the day, right? The day is the most important part, right? We saw a lot of cryptocurrency that has been falling down, and some people see this as an opportunity and some people see this as a flaw. I see it as an opportunity. I don't see it as something that's a negative piece to it. I see it as a wide open opportunity to get back into the position. I don't know if flaw is the best way to, categorize it, but, they don't really see it as a positive move versus people that see it as a negative move, right? It's the same thing. People that see it as a negative move versus people that see it as a positive move. That's what I'm trying to say. You got what I meant, but whatever. You could see here that this did decrease down from that 290 mark, and I talked about how it was hovering between the $3 mark, $3.25 mark, down to the $2.75 mark. Well, we saw a lot of crypto that has fell down, that started to fall down and continued to fall throughout today. And you could see here at 5 a.m., it hit $2.34, which is an amazing buying opportunity. And a lot of people saw this. I was up at 5 a.m. I didn't actually make any purchases at 5 a.m. I made purchases around 250. But this did increase here all the way up to 275 again, or 278 again around 9 a.m., but then started to decrease yet again. And now it's down to about 250 again. So down over the day, 11.5%, almost 12%. Right, you can see that the volume is down today. It's down about 5%, which is not a crazy amount. We have fell below the $1 billion mark for volume, but you could see that the trading activity is still buy heavy, right? You have 59% buy, 41% sell. So people are still buying it in this past day. So from this low of, 234 all the way up to where we are now, technically it's still at a positive rate. It's just overall through the day, you did see this fall down. Look at the typical hold time too. Typical hold time is showing 12 days. That's pretty interesting because the obviously people are consistently holding on to it as they do feel this has a strong connection with GameStop. We still don't have any confirmation when it comes to that data. When it comes to if they do have that connection with GameStop, it's hinted and speculated and all different types of things, but it's not 100% confirmed when it comes to this data. Now, I did want to point out, as we get into a lot of this data, I was looking at one of the Reddits for Loopring. This is Loopring.org, which has 61,000 members. And this actually was on the other Loopring Reddit that I follow as well, that only has about 13,000 members. Actually has increased by about 300 members over the last day or so. So I don't know if I did that or if other people just decided to go out and search for some. But this was interesting to me. $164 million deposit into Loopring. I haven't really done a bunch of research into it, but it's definitely interesting, just to be able to see that and understand that there is popularity. There are people that are looking to throw large sums of money into certain areas. And, going down here, it's basically talking about wasn't this like an hour ago? Like I was wondering why I saw a 6% jump in less than 30 seconds this morning. And, that's obviously you're seeing large deposits that are going into different positions. And again, the crypto market was down. It's not anything to get concerned about. Yes, if it does continue to decrease, I'm all in. Like I'm happy to see those because then I will buy more. I will find some money to buy more. I know it's the middle of the month and I talked about this and how I have issues with, buying investments in the middle of the month versus, the end of the month or the beginning of the month. But, I will find a way to buy more if we are at these low prices because, again, I'm going to go over cryptocurrency in my next video just to see, what my mindset is around cryptocurrency and how I feel about different positions that are falling back because I can't really go through each individual position. I'm going to go through overall what's going on with my crypto account here. Just to give you kind of a portfolio update, even though it's not, it's kind of like a mid-month portfolio update. However, this is exciting news to see, $164 million deposit into LRC. That is phenomenal to see that if that is 100% true. I'm not 100%, understanding if that is fully true. That's just where I'm coming from. I don't believe everything I see on the internet. It's just great to see it and then obviously do a little bit of research into it. So LRC looks good. I think it looks good. If you think it doesn't, then you're obviously not really that bullish on it. It doesn't, the way that it's moving, obviously downward, you're seeing this downward trajectory from this $3 mark all the way down to $2.54 or even to a low of $3 or $2.34. I see this as a clear positive. Yes, it's great to be able to time the market, but it's very tough to do that. So don't think that you can just go out and find it at $3 and then sell at $3, wait for it to get to its low and, buy in every single time at these low points because a lot of times you don't know where those low points will be. So, again, this has a ton of potential. It's just got to hit its lows, especially when you see the crypto market pulling back. If it was just Loopring, then you start to get a little bit more concerned because it's not the overall crypto market. It's just Loopring. But, still, I'm still very, very bullish on this position. And I'll let you know when I'm not bullish. But I am very bullish on this position until we see this completely skyrocket and go to higher highs. Definitely higher highs than what, a lot of people are expecting. But anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get into a crypto video later. So if you guys want to watch that, it'll probably be uploaded at 7 or something. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.